of New Year 2026 and moving forward. And during New Year, we have lucky noodles for long lives, prosperity, and good health, and also rolls, veggie rolls, lumpia in Tagalog. We have here beef noodles, and we have shrimp noodles, and we have all veggies noodles. Three kinds of noodles for long lives, prosperity, good health. This new year 2026 and moving forward, blessings to all of us of long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light to us all. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books are available worldwide at Amazon, Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you worldwide. And at my two websites, JuanitaGutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSCD.com. I welcome you all to visit my two websites and the happiest of New Year's 2026 and moving forward to all of us. Let's enjoy three kinds of noodles, lucky noodles for New Year, for long lives, prosperity, good health. We have veggies noodles, we have shrimp noodles, and we have beef noodles, and we have this lumpia, lucky lumpia for New Year and forever. And I'm giving you the fork, and we will just use our hands in our lumpia. But before we do, we are going to bless our food. Isn't that important? Mighty I am presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought, forever self-sustained. And so it is done, beloved I am. My beloved parents and grandparents always tell us to bless the food. Now, I don't know where to start. So maybe we're going to get the veggies, the twin veggies. I have a twin sister too, and cousins, twins. For you and me and all of us, for long lives, prosperity, good health. This happiest of New Year 2026 and moving forward. With long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light to us all, now and forever. For you and me and all of us, yum. Super delicious. Let's have our shrimp noodles. And we twirl and twirl and twirl and twirl and twirl and twirl. We and me and all of us. Yum, yes. Oh my goodness, super yum. My beloved parents own a yacht or a huge fishing boat, and we always have soup or giant shrimps. And they are good substitute for chicken. And let's try this for you and me and all of us. Juicy and super yum. Really good. Oh my goodness. And let's go to our beef noodles. We twirl and twirl and twirl and twirl. Lucky noodles for New Year 2026 and moving forward. For long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light for you and me and All of us. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Yum. Mmm. Excuse me, please. And let's have the beef for you and me and all of us. Juicy and tender. Oh my. Super syrup, super delicious. And let's have our lumpia roll. Let's dip in our dipping sauce. Little spicy, sweet and sour for you and me and all of us. Look at that. Wow. Excuse me, please. This is most gourmet, and let's enjoy with our red wine without alcohol. Cheers for the new year 2026 and moving forward with long lives, prosperity, and good health, happiness to all of us. Really good. Happy New Year. Happy 2026 to us all with long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love and light to us all, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, on my other website, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Enjoy. Happiest of New Year's 2026 and moving forward. Happy cooking. Happy dining. Enjoy life. Yum.